Today we are talking about 10 ways to earn money while you're studying. This is great if you're getting ready to take AP exams, the SAT, the ACT, you're in college taking classes, maybe you're preparing for finals, or even if you're studying for a test like the MCAT. So we are going to look primarily for examples today at ways to earn money while you're studying for something related to biology, but this applies to every major, every subject. I've just used biology as my example. Many of these ideas earn passive income, which is my favorite type of income because passive income means you're earning money even while you sleep. So imagine earning money, studying, and while you sleep. Doesn't get better than that, right? So join me as I show you 10 ways to earn money studying. The first idea that I have for you is becoming a peer note taker, primarily at your university. Some high schools may offer this, but it's probably for community service. Some colleges offer this, but it's only for volunteer or for priority registration privileges. But there are universities that do pay you through the Student Employment Office to become a peer note taker. This means that someone in your class may have a disability and receive services from Student Services with Disabilities. They will literally pay you to take notes and share them with this student. So whether you're getting paid or just doing it to be kind or volunteer service or priority registration status, it's going to motivate you to take better notes knowing that someone else in your class is depending on you. Idea number 2, become a doodle maker. So if you're already a doodler, if you love taking your notes and making them look amazing, and you can't stand the handouts that your own professor is giving you and you're always beautifying them and all of your classmates are looking over your shoulder and are just like, oh my gosh, that's so amazing. This is for you. This person literally drew the plant and animal cells and are selling them for $4.99. This is a handout that teachers can now print and give to their students, or a student could download to study. So take a look at what your current professors or teachers are passing out to you. And if you think you can do a better job, go to a website called Teachers Pay Teachers and look around and type in the word doodle. You'll find all sorts of amazing templates that people are creating for every subject. And you too can become a Teacher Pay Teacher content creator. It's very simple. You don't have to be a teacher. You just start uploading material. My daughter made her first Teacher Pay Teacher PowerPoint when she was in 2nd grade, and she still earns money on it every Halloween because it's a seasonal PowerPoint that she made. I love Teacher Pay Teachers, and I have a few more examples coming up as well. So definitely think about beautifying your notes, making them doodle worthy, and listing them. The next way to earn money, number 3, while studying, is Quizlet. I am sure many of you have used Quizlet over and over to study for your classes. Here's an example of learning about the plant cell and using the flashcards on Quizlet. Quizlet does have a content creator application that you can fill out and see if you qualify. People are literally getting paid for their Quizlet flashcards that they have made. So check it out, and maybe you can make money from Quizlet. And there are various other companies out there as well, not just Quizlet, so be sure to check into them as well and see if they have content creator applications. Next, making cell clip art for Teacher Pay Teacher or something like Canva. You can literally make money drawing anything related to your course and uploading it for other teachers to then download and put in their own handouts that they are creating to sell or teach with. It's kind of an amazing concept. So if you are especially a graphic design major, you can take any class that you are studying and trying to prepare for and turn all of the information you are learning into graphics and sell them. So check this out. Someone is literally selling 270 cell-related graphics for $27. They've sold over 33 of them because they have 33 ratings, but most people don't leave ratings, so chances are they've sold 10 times this amount at $27. Pretty cool. And this clip art's okay, but I bet you guys can create some amazing clip art that people will definitely want to buy on websites like Teacher Pay Teacher or even on Canva. You get paid on Canva when anyone uses your premium content. So definitely check this out. Lots of different options. There's even a degree called Scientific Illustration where you can learn how to make scientific art, if this is your thing. The next way to make money with studying is to make educational songs and post them and earn money every time someone watches them. So this song is called This Is My Cell Song, like This Is My Fight Song, and I literally have had the lyrics of this stuck in my head since a few days ago when I first heard it. And I wish that my daughter and I would have played this a few times when she was studying for her plant cell test, because it is very catchy, very good, and wow, I hope this lady is making a lot of money on views. It's amazing. So take anything and put it to music, upload it, and watch it roll in. Typically for YouTube, to make money, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 400 hours of views. So get started with your freshman year of college, make songs for every class, and you will get there very soon. Super fun project, especially if you're a music major. Our next way to make money is to, oops, I just realized I did not change the title of this one. It's supposed to say make board games. Sorry about that. But you can make board games. When my daughter was super interested in Percy Jackson, she still is, I did not understand it to save my life. So I literally filled notebook after notebook taking notes every time that she read it to me. And because I had spent hours taking notes just so I could pay attention and keep up and look back to keep the storyline straight. Yes, I know, like 9-year-olds get this stuff, but for me it was like rocket science because I'm a realist and it was fiction and I didn't get it. So instead of just throwing all those notebooks away, I used them to make a board game. And I have this listed on Teachers Pay Teachers. So this is a super fun way to take everything that I learned from those books, turn it into a board game, and make it fun. You can also upload things like this to Kahoot. You could make a virtual board game or a virtual quiz game on something like Kahoot, and you can sell those on platforms like Teacher Pay Teacher or other platforms. So again, this is supposed to say board games, but definitely consider making board games for your subject and reselling them to other teachers. Next, if you love gaming, how can you take your video game skills, help you study, and sell it so that you can make money from your studying? Definitely check out programs like Minecraft. Minecraft has an educational platform where you're able to sell things that you make. So if you make an interactive plant cell in Minecraft, you can now sell it on Minecraft Education Edition. Another idea is to check out something like, oh, it's just escaping me. Not Twinmotion. Unreal. Unreal Engine is what Fortnite was built in. Unreal Engine software is completely free. If you can make some really cool ways that kids could study in something you create using Unreal Engine, every time your content is downloaded, you can earn money from that as well. So definitely put your video game skills to the test and figure out how you can create products to help you study and make money. Next, if you're crafty, check out these amazing earrings and necklace. These are so cute, and you guys, they sell for $45 and like 3 people have them in their cart. I would totally wear these if I was a science teacher. They are so cute. You can sell on Etsy, but you know where I found that things for teachers sell really good? Joining Facebook groups. Not Marketplace, but joining Facebook groups like Teacher Resell or something like that. And people are selling their teaching supplies, but there are some women who make some pretty cool earrings that are all like science related or children's books related, and they sell out all the time. So I think something like this, you're making it just a study for biology, you can turn it into some fast cash with some art pieces, and I think people who teach science would just eat these up so much. You can also sell them on Etsy. All right, our second to last, which is one of my newfound favorites. I had no idea that this existed. You can become a body double study video content creator. You heard me right. A body double study video content creator. That's what they're called. And people literally just record themselves studying. Yeah. I'm pausing because I'm just trying to process it. This is crazy to me. But apparently, we work better when we're in the presence of other people who are studying. And so, since people are working more remote now, or working from home, or studying from home, someone came up with this idea of just starting to videotape themselves working and studying, and it's gone viral. There are so many different content creators. A lot of them use certain study techniques where they study for like so many minutes on, so many minutes off, take so many different breaks. You'll find lots of these specifically related to preparing for exams that you can study along with them. So definitely check this out. It will help you study, but what if you just start videotaping yourself studying? Again, you need 400 hours of viewing and 1,000 subscribers. This is going to keep you super focused when you're studying because someone is now watching you and relying on you to help them study. So if you have a beautiful setup at home, or could at least create a corner that looks beautiful to help study, or if you want to even go to different locations and study, that's amazing. I think it would be kind of fun to have a traveling study with me. Like, you go to different libraries, you go to the beach, you go to the coffee shops, who knows? I think you guys could definitely find your niche with this, and I'm just blown away how popular this is on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. It's blowing up. It's been around a while, but it's the first time I've heard of it, and it's just getting more popular by the day. So get in quickly before the market is saturated. What a great way to earn money studying. And my last idea is to combine your love of baking with whatever you're studying. My daughter once made the California missions out of Rice Krispie treats, and she also made her plant cell out of cake. This helped her study. It was super fun, and the whole family learned the plant cell because we got to sit at the dinner table all week and move around all the different labels as she studied. And then at the end of the week, we got to enjoy it and eat it. It was amazing. And imagine you could turn these into little tiny cupcakes and sell them. Or you could sell them for birthday parties. You could sell them to your science teachers to celebrate the end of the exam with your class. Lots of different fun options, but I think people would really enjoy this. Another great idea is to turn this into a kit. People are lazy and they will buy kits to create this. So like, if you're a parent and your child is studying this, you don't want to go out shopping for all the candy. You just want to buy a kit, right? Same with like mission kits. People sell those like crazy. Anything that someone might need to build or replicate as a model, if you can sell it in a kit, parents will buy it. So definitely check this out. All right, so I am the fly on the desk, and I provide unsolicited ideas and content related to everything college and career. And you may have loved some of my ideas, or you may have wanted to swat them away like a fly. Doesn't matter. It's just ideas. Take it for what you will. But I do create content based on what I'm seeing people asking questions about online. So I did see a question about how do I motivate my child to study. So I decided to make this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you have topics you'd like me to delve into, please feel free to email me, and be sure to subscribe because I am making content several times a week, and we're just getting started, and there will be lots and lots of ideas to come. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.